There are a lot of plants on the earth. There are terrestrial plants, there are aquatic plants. Now I am going to explain you about terrestrial plants. There are a lot of types of the terrestrial plants. The first one is plants of mountains. The trees so tall and straight and the branches are slanting which make the snow to slide down easily. The second point is the leaves are needle shaped and have a waxy coating which protects the plant from the extreme cold, prevents rotting of the plant, helps the snow to slide down easily. Next one is the seeds are enclosed in cones instead of flowers. Because in the mountains the temperature is very cold. So if the plant have flower, the flower will grow. Example, pine, deodar, fir. Ferns, mosses and lichens are small sturdy plants that grow in the soil, on the rock, on the trees or in the mountains. Next one is plants in plains. Plains mean what area we are living is called plains. There are a lot of plants growing in plains. The branches are spread wide and they have several leaves. Example, neem, gulmohar, people. Next one is plants in deserts. Some plants are trained to grow in the dry and hot climatic regions. Example, we can say the cactus. But the plants living in the deserts, roots will be spread wide because in search of water. Because in the deserts there will be no water. There will be very little only. Another thing, the cactus use thorns instead of leaves because it want to cut the water loss. Example, cactus and the date palm. Next one is plants in heavy rainfall. There are a lot of plants growing in heavy rainfall because it is receiving many rain. So only they can live many plants. Example, we can say as rubber, teak and cash crops. Cash crops means example rice and sugar. That means if we sell this cereals, we can get money. So this is called cash crops. The trees living in these areas remain green throughout the year because it is getting more water, so it is doing photosynthesis and it is the leaves are in green in color. The next one is plants in coastal areas. Coastal areas means beach areas, sea areas in the sea areas. Some plants such as coconut tree and palm tree can live in the salty water. Okay. Example, coconut and palm tree. Next one is plants in swampy areas. Swampy areas will be very sticky. Some plants such as mangroves can live in these areas. The roots of these plant trees are above the soil because the soil is very sticky and the thing it needs oxygen. So only the roots is above the soil. The next one is aquatic plants. Aquatic means water. Aquatic plants means the plants growing in water. First one is floating plants. The floating plants means the stem will be light and spongy. If we just if we take the duckweed and just if we press, it will grow. Oh, the next one is fixed plants. Example, lotus. If you see the lotus, the stem will be attached of the soil in the bottom of the water. Next one is underwater plants. Some plants can live underwater plants. Example, pondweed. The leaves absorb the water and they will take the nutrients from the water through the surface. But these underwater plants don't have stomata because on the water there will be bad gases. So only they are not having stomata. Okay friends, if you are having any doubts, send me a message in the chat. Bye.